Hello again. Welcome back. Hey, we're going back. This is actually a retake on exercise 6-3. Apparently we've had a couple of glitches on it, so I'm just starting off with it like before. So first off, we're going to go with a simple little zoom extents to get it all on the screen. So zoom extents, get it set up in the middle. Now we're going to do it quicker than normal. So basically what we're going to start with is this. I'm going to start with a line. I'm going to attach my line right here to this endpoint. Now if you notice my cursor is kind of jumpy, that's because my snap is on it. It's right down here. I'm going to tell it to turn the snap off, and I've got the grid off already. So I'm just going to attach a line right there and tell it to go at, which is, this is taken straight from the book, at 2.75, okay? Less than 180 degrees. Okay, so there he is. Now I'm going to mirror this over, this arc and circle and this little line around the middle point of this line. Take it straight up like my ortho. There it is. Now the only other things I got to do is I got to go ID, and I'm going to identify the center of this circle. Okay, and then I'm going to do a circle that's at 1.5 less than 120 degrees from here, and it's going to be 0.156 in radius. Now I'm going to do a ID again. I'm going to identify that same center, and this time I'm going to go at, I'm going to circle first, circle, at 1.5 less than 165 degrees this time. And again, it was with the 0.156 radius of my arc here. Now there's those two. I just want to make a circle in the center here that shares the center point. This is 0.375 in radius. And then I just want to go in and start attaching some lines. So I'm going to make a circle again. Center's going to be here, 1.5. There he is. Now we're going to use our offset command next. Our offset is going to create a couple of lines. I'm going to go O for offset, enter, and I'm going to tell it to go 0.156. I'm going to pick this circle and pick inside of it. And I'm going to pick that same circle again and pick outside of it. Now I've got this going on. I'm going to trim using this inner arc, this outer circle, this little circle here we used, and this little circle here. Hit enter once, I pick off this piece, I pick off this piece, and I pick off the parts in between the two arced remnants. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. We're going to offset, this time 0.375, and we're going to pick this circle, pick inside of it, pick this circle, pick outside of it. Now this time when I trim, I'm going to select these two circles, this circle, and this line. The reason being I don't want to mess with the break-in map. And I hit my enter key, I pick off this piece to go away, I pick off this piece to go away, and I pick off this piece to go away. Okay, now this circle has done its duty, we erase it. Next thing I'm doing is I fill it, and I change my radius to 0.437, and I fill it this to this. Now notice if I hold that there for a second, it radiuses coming up towards me right here. So if I go down here, it radiuses the other way. So I want to make sure I get the radius going in the right direction. Fill it, radius, 0.125 this time, between this line and this arc right here. And again, you got to make sure you do it right or it'll erase the wrong part of your line. That's it. That's exercise 6-3 in a nutshell. Take your time, go through this 2 or 3 times if it helps you, and that's all we can do for you. Have fun, practice a lot, and we'll be in good shape.